Hey there, everybody. In this section, I've got a really exciting topic for you. We're going to be looking at JavaScript promises and how you too can use promises in order to connect to APIs and get data back from APIs. One of the questions I often get asked by students is that they want to become more familiar with how to connect to APIs, and utilizing promises provides us a lot more flexibility when we are connecting to APIs. And in this section, I'm going to be connecting to a Star Wars API, so it's going to be always lots of fun. And this is an open API where you can practice and make connections. And the way that this works is that we make multiple requests, we build out an object array, and within that object array, we pick the data that we want to present on the page. So see, we've got 61 results found. These are all the different planets and the films that they were in. So there's plenty of room to extend on this and make it look nice, as it is focused on a particular learning objective, and that is promises. How to use promises, how to create promises, as well as how to use JavaScript fetch, which is relatively new with ES6 and it works in most of the modern browsers, where you can connect instead of doing the XHR request. You can do an AJAX request using fetch, and there's more flexibility with the promise-based fetch than there was with the XHR. I'm going to be also demonstrating in the upcoming lessons how you can connect to the API, and initially the API only returns back 10 results per page. So I'll show you how you can move to the next page and get the next 10 results and continuously build out your array object until you get all of the results. There's no more next pages, and you can return those back, and then finally utilize that full array object of 61 results and output it on your page. Source code is included, so I do encourage you to try the code out for yourself and see how it works, get familiar with, and try it within your own editor and browser in order to see the code in action. And that's very important to learning JavaScript, is trying the code. Once you get familiar with it, you can apply it within your own projects. If you have any questions or comments, I'm always happy to help, and I'm there for you. If you want to ask a question, or if you have any suggestions on course improvements, please let me know. So let's get started coding some JavaScript. In the next lesson, we're diving right in.